Attention home buyers, we have a newly listed property for sale here in one of the exclusive subdivision of San Fernando, Pampanga. Let's go and check this out. What I really love is this stunning, spacious living area with this double height ceiling. And check this out. I love the big pool with the beautiful lights and water feature. One of my favorites is the master bedroom on the ground floor. It's very convenient. And I love that this home is very sustainable and eco-friendly with its solar panel system.